So people think that lawyers like to talk a lot and they like to argue a lot, and that certainly is true in a lot of cases. But if you really want to win your trust or will lawsuit in court, what wins the day is simplicity. Being able to take your legal argument, being able to take your legal case and boil it down to its simplest elements so that the judge or the jury can fully understand what it is that you're asking them to do and why you're asking them to do it. Simplicity takes time, it takes effort. It's not an easy thing to do to get to simplicity, but it wins arguments in court every time, both in writing and in oral argument. Simplicity is the best way to go. In order to get to simplicity, the first step is you have to stop whining about every little thing that has happened in your case or every little fact that has come up. You really have to think long and hard about which facts are important and which facts are not. Get rid of what is not important because it's not going to help you. You then need to spend time on your argument and focus your argument as much as you can. Think to yourself, what is it that I want the judge or jury to do? What result do I want out of all of this? What authority do I have for the judge or jury to do this? What legal authority, what legal basis do I have? And then lastly, what facts are going to help me convince the judge or jury that that legal basis should be enforced in my case? You don't need all the facts. You need the facts that are convincing, persuasive, and that directly lead to the legal elements you're trying to prove. And don't ever forget the fairness or equity behind your case. So what is the driving force of all of this? Why is your result the fair result? Most judges and juries want to do the right thing. They want to have the fair result if they can find it, if they can enforce it. And if you're able to explain that very simply to the judge or jury, then chances are your argument is going to win the day.